Hey guys, welcome back to This and That. So, as promised, the Zippo video. Now, I've been sitting on these for a week or two. Life's been busy, you know how it gets. But we're here, we're going to do it now. So let's get to it. So, in front of me I have two Zippos that belong to a gentleman by the name of Archie D. Gold. Now, I don't know if he's still with us, but these belong to him, and I assume they were very special to him at one point. So, our first one, there's his initials, ADG on one side, Colt 45. Now, it looks like he did this with a pocket knife or his military issue, maybe fixed blade knife. And on the back, he has a penny glued. Come on. So there you go, focus. 1968. Now, why he's got a 1968 penny glued to a 1959 Zippo, I can only imagine, because that's when he was in country, was 1968. So, no, it's kind of hard to make out, but from what I can see, it's got 3 dots on the left, Zippo in cursive, 4 dots on the right, and the patent number in the middle, which would put it at 1959. So he may have owned this prior, or it was a gift from someone when he went to Vietnam. Now here's the other one. The hinge is missing the pin, but he's got his last name engraved there, and if you can make it out here, also, I don't know if it'll come through. Right there, he's got engraved a caricature of someone. On the back, this is really hard to hold together, Archie D. Gold. And I think this is where he may have been, that part of Vietnam. I'm not sure, but this one is upside down. This, I'm going to set that down. This one is a 1968. We have Zippo in cursive, 3 lines on the left, 3 on the right. No patent markings. So my plan with these is to send them to Zippo and get them repaired. Not refurbished, not cleaned up, not altered, other than the hinges, the hinge pin on this one put back in, and I think maybe seeing if we can get the hinge tightened up on this a little bit. But that is my plan, and you'll be coming on the adventure with that. So, all right, guys, thank you very much, and hope you all had a happy 4th of July. And until I see you again, only you can prevent forest fires.